Alright there, YouTube. So we're back with our Project 1983 Peterbilt 359 Old Red. Now the first thing we need to do is try to get this beast inside.
Alright, so for those of you guys that watched the last video, you know the starter went out on this thing, so I can't start it up or air it up. I'm hoping I can just shove it inside with the Bobcat here.
Alright, so there's the starter buried down there, and we're going to have to change this sucker. And she's buried in there pretty good. I do have the new starter on hand. Hopefully it's the right starter. I have not even opened the box yet, but you know what? We're just going to start by taking this one out because it's bad. It's going to have to be replaced anyway, and taking it out's not going to put me any further behind. So, to do that, first thing we need to do is we need to disconnect our batteries. You know, a number of people have mentioned that I need to replace my battery cables. When I put these batteries in, all the cables in the battery box were cleaned and tested. They're all fine. They do not need to be replaced. I didn't do anything on the starter, but the battery cables are tight, and we're going to clean them up and test them when we change the starter here. So, battery cables are fine. Okay, both sets of positive and negative battery leads are disconnected, and we're going to test, be sure that we don't have any voltage at the battery leads at the starter. It's kind of interesting. Somehow we have 0.0 0.22 volts at the, and there's no batteries connected. How we have 0.2021 volts at the starter, I'm not really sure, but so one thing we're going to do is we take these battery cables off. Like these three here are all on the same lug. We're going to stick a zip tie through the eyes on them so that we know that these ones all go together. Okay, so all of our battery cables are disconnected. Up along the flywheel housing here, we've got bolts that we got to take out. Generally, the easiest way I find to do that is use an impact with enough extensions to get you out past the end of the starter, and then you can normally just zip them out and drop the starter down. So that's the plan. Let's get to it. Okay, way too long later. I should have the right tools here now. Be nice if it would quit raining on the inside. But it's always got to be the one that's the hardest to get to, that seeds in there like bad words. It's coming out now though. We almost got this starter out. Heavy son of a gun. Alright, so I got the new starter out and I pulled the new one out of the box, make sure everything was going to line up, and yeah. I thought I ordered a gear reduction style starter, and instead what I got was another 4,000 pound billion amp hour drawing starter. That's not exactly what I wanted. I don't know if maybe the parts guy got confused and thought I'd rather have the original style starter and was just looking at gear reduction to see if they had something in stock, and seems how he had to order it. He ordered this one. I don't know what the heck happened there, but I thought we were ordering an updated starter to gear reduction style, which is a lot better starter. I really should take this back and reorder. But it looks like this starter will fit just fine. I guess I'm going to put it in. Do need to reuse a spacer plate off of the old one, so I clean that up in the parts washer. Then we just got to bench press this heavy mother up in there, bolt it in, hook it up, and we should be back in business. Alright, so the new starter's all in there. Everything's cleaned up and hooked up. Hooked my batteries up. We didn't have a smoke show, so we're good there. And just to give you guys an idea of how much it snowed just since I got here, you can remember I cleaned this door out when I pulled the truck in. And it's probably snowed about 5 inches since then, so yeah, fun. Anyway, haven't put a battery charger on this or done anything like that. And I'm pretty confident she's going to start right up. Hasn't run in 2 weeks, and there she goes. So hopefully I got just enough snow moved that we can get this thing out to its parking spot. Let's try to move here where you can see me. There we go. Kinda. Okay. So we're going to try to get this thing parked here without getting it stuck, hopefully. And until next time, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a great day. Well, the GoPro seems to have locked up. I don't know if I lost that footage or not, but we got it over here. Not without some issue. We kind of had to rock it out a couple times, but it's over here, safe and sound, locked up in the gate, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.